It wears the badge. It has got the doe-eyed headlights and a W12, but that's about it. This is Conti V2.0 and it is pretty much all new. Based on the same platform as the Panamera, Porsche's MSB, new Continental gets a mixed materials skeleton, mainly aluminium and steel, clothed in big sheets of more aluminium. In fact, it has all aluminium, apart from the boot lid, which is only composite because that's where all the aerials and receiverware sits, and most things like that don't like to be sheathed in metal. The previous gen Continental was a handsome enough bus, but it was a bit of a brick. The new one is lower, more muscular, neater and less bulky. More fitness model than weightlifter. The panels are superformed, a process where aluminium sheets are heated to 500 degrees and then formed over a back using pressurized gas rather than a stamp, and the results are spectacular. Just look at those side creases. In fact, one of the big joys of the GT is the rear haunch line, because it undercuts slightly and is nicely razored. It flicks slightly like there's no tomorrow. Sculptural stuff. Just don't mention the panel beating cost if you reverse it into something. It has a tiny bit lighter than before, but to be honest, it has not that big a deal in percentage terms. There is a lot of stuff gone back into the architecture after the initial hardware weight loss.